Hey everyone, my name is Mundsan. I'm a teacher at QDC. I teach hip hop to adults and kids. I'm holding a workshop on the 3rd of April. So please do come through.
Pink Gators, my Detroit players, Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right.
The workshop will go into two sections. The first one is me teaching hip hop fundamentals and things to help people express themselves with hip hop music, because I know there's a lot of tools out there that people are not aware of that help them create a certain feel, a certain look, and a certain emotion. First is the hip hop fundamentals, and second is sort of an open style, the way I hear music, advanced level type of choreography, sort of street lyrical style. Just a crash course on hip hop. For those who may not know, hip hop started in the 1970s. It is a culture first. So shout out to the originators and the roots of hip hop from the Bronx, all over the states, everything that's influenced and helped evolve the culture. So I just want to give a massive shout out to them. The 4 elements of hip hop, we've got DJing, MCing, writing, and breaking, and then we've got the other ones additional with beatboxing and knowledge of self and so forth. So that's the type of culture I want to help give to our kids or our students or anyone that's willing to learn, so they can help create an identity for themselves, build a foundation, and then evolve from that. So that's the first class that I'm doing. And then the second is how more of like what they used to call urban dance, but now more open style choreography. So it's ever changing. I don't really care about the term, it's more the expression of self, because dance comes before a particular style, always in my head. It's just the way that you approach it, but always got to pay respects to everything. So first class is a hip hop fundamentals, so grooves, bounces, rocks, breaking, everything that I got in my bag that I've learned from my years of dancing, years of teaching, that I want to share with you guys in this workshop, and also will help prepare you for the audition that's on the same day for the varsity crew and the junior crew. So these workshops are aimed at the age group of 8 to 15. I'm opening up to the public, so if you're a little bit older, a little bit younger, feel free to come. If you have a child or you yourself are interested, feel free to come through and audition. So this is a workshop and an audition together for those two crews. Now at 3 p.m, please come 15 minutes earlier than that, so we can do a bit of paperwork, the sign-ups, all the admin things and whatnot, before we kick off at 3 p.m. sharp. So I want to start around 3 p.m. sharp. This is a 2-hour workshop. So the first half is that hip hop fundamentals, and second is advanced choreography or street open style choreography, and how you can approach things with me teaching you my style of approaching music and how I dance. And then we're gonna have the auditions afterwards. So if you're coming for the please come ready with driven mindset, because that's what I'm looking for these two crews. They're not just sort of class mentality only. I want individuals that are willing to work together and build values and morals and disciplines that help build characters that can perform, that can dance, and that can just express themselves on another level on top of just having fun and just chill with the music.
Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken. You're so.
So at 3 p.m. Sunday, 3rd of April, I see you guys there. Come through, be ready. Let's dance, have fun, learn, and conquer the world. Let's go.
Come on. Sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if the head right, Biggie.